Okay, you need these egg cartons, the ones that's got this long point. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to break this away here, all around, because I just need these big ones inside. You can tear them or you can cut them, it doesn't really matter. If you like the rough edges, you can tear them. Okay, that one I broke, so yeah. I'm just going to show you one, and then you can make your own up to that point, and then we can go further. So all that I'm going to do, you can see I've got these pieces that go in there, so I'm going to cut around them up, and I'm going to try and cut up to the same height for each and every one. And you don't have to measure or anything. You won't even see this when you start to pile them up on top of one another. So I'm going to look at my shortest one, and I'm just going to cut them round, and you can even, if you like, shape them round. So I'm just going to try and take them on the same length. Okay, I'm just going to paint them this lavender iris color, and you can make them any color you like. They also look great if you make pink ones and green ones and blue ones and natural ones together, and you just change the star maybe to another color. I'm not going to worry too much about the inside. If I paint the inside, I will just paint these pieces that's sticking out, maybe not the whole thing. While I'm waiting for this to dry, I'm just going to quickly paint myself a white star, and you can, it's just taken a piece of these, and you can even paint your whole thing white and then do your star. That's actually what I will do. I will paint the whole thing white and then draw my star, and then okay, I'm just gonna, this is dry now, so I'm just cutting it out. Okay, I decided to take that off. I'm going to do something else there. I hope it's going to work. So I'm just going to snip into that area there. I'm going to make myself another one like this. And I'm going to glue this inside here on the side. You can see this is a little bit shaped like that because it's the part of this. So I'm just going to glue that in there and do another one on that side, and then I'm going to put it in my tree. So I'm just going to quickly cut another one. I think I'm going to glue them together and then I will cut them. So I'm just going to put an amount of glue in here. and just make sure I press down. So all that I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some glue on these edges here. I hope you can see that. And I'm going to put this one, it overlaps each petal, if I can call it like that. And then the next one, I'm just going to touch that hollows there, because that's the areas where my egg carton meet. Sorry, I've got the glue gun on the wrong side now. I'm just going to press that one in, making sure they line up. And remember, it looks very nice if you make one and with 3 and with 4, but I'm just going to make the one just to show you. And while that is dry, I'm just going to cut this quickly, and then I just need to put it on my stick, and then I'm finished. And I will touch up a little bit with the white on the star. Okay, I made that a little bit skew, but I just took a what do you call that, a drill, and I just drilled a hole there in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a little bit, I actually want to use carpenter's glue for this, but I'll just do that on the other side. I'm just going to press that in there. To make myself a little stand. And then I will just be making a small hole on top of this. Now you just can keep it there until it's dry. And then I'm just going to pop in a little bit of hot glue there at the bottom of this thing there. And then I'm just going to put it in. And I will just be holding it a little bit so it can dry square. So I'm just quickly painting the side of the star as well, and my little dowel. And there's your little tree. Now make yourself a few in different colors, and if you want to know anything, you can ask me in the comments. And thank you for watching, and you must have a wonderful day. Take care.